All right, we had a little technical glitch. Hopefully that fixes it. All right, apologize for that. We had some glitch on our audio, but hopefully we're good. All right, so let's take a look at the Dow real quick here, see what it's doing. It is down 466. All right, so as I was mentioning earlier, which apparently the sound was not working, we are expecting an overall down day in the market. We'll share some of the scan here with you. This is our scan. We're looking at, we've scanned over 12,000 stocks. Let me go ahead and I'll pull those up here. And so we have a small list of anticipated updates today with stocks, but we have a much larger list on the shorts. This particular pattern is called HF. All right, strong pattern. When we see a strong bias on the downside like that, it usually indicates that the overall market's going to end up being down for the day. So that being the case, we do have a couple stocks we've also included. You know, we've added a few things here, taken a few things off as far as what we're going to be looking at today. So let's just go through it real quick. ES going to be the E-mini S&P 500, RTY. That's going to be your mini Russell. We got NQ, which is going to be your mini NASDAQ, GC for gold, NG for natural gas, BTC for Bitcoin. On the currencies, Euro US, US yen. And then on the stocks, NVAX and LIN. Be looking for buys on NVAX and shorts on LIN. Okay, getting a short on LIN. LIN going to be looking for 25% move here on the downside. That short's coming in at 126. I'm sorry, 267.66. 267.66. Oh. Brings us down to 2641, 267.41, 267.41. Not seeing anything yet on the ES, not seeing anything on the RTY, not seeing anything on the mini Dow. I'm sorry, mini NASDAQ. Nothing on gold. We are getting a short now on natural gas, getting a short on natural gas. Okay, target on natural gas going to bring us down to 67.45, 6745. And if we need to reverse on this gas, going to reverse at 6895. 6895 is a reversal. Still looking for LIN, this stock LIN to hit the 267.41. Okay, short natural gas, target 6745 on the natural gas.
Profit target hit.
Okay, we just hit our profit target on natural gas.
Profit target hit.
Target hit on our stock LIN. Now I can use any type move. I can calculate any type move that we would like in the stock. So right now I was just looking for a 25-cent move. On NVAX, I am looking for buys, but I'm going to wait till I see a pattern that will indicate we're going to have a 50-cent move. So that's what I'm waiting on NVAX. Once again, when we use an Einstein, it is a combination of it's a formula and also several patterns that need to be developed. Once we see a combination of both of those, it will give us some sort of indication of the movement of whether it's going to hit our target or not based on how much we're looking for it to move. So if I'm looking for a 25-cent move, I need to wait for the pattern to confirm that. If I'm waiting for a 50-cent move, I need to wait for the pattern to confirm that as well. So that's what we're looking at. Nothing on VAX. Already hit target on LIN. Already hit target on natural gas. Right now we're flat. Don't have any new positions on. So once again, if you look at our scanner, just a bunch of shorts coming in today on these stocks. I mean, they're pretty much all down for the day. And these are the ones that we're looking for buying opportunities. Just a few of them, not many. Now, one of the things when we're looking at stocks, we're also looking at, we want stocks that are going to move. We don't want to be getting into these these penny stocks. We're looking for moves of 25 cents, 50, $1, $5. So when we run our calculations, we really like to see at least a $3 ATR, average true range for the day, meaning at least a $3 range on average for that particular stock before we even look at it. So unlike indicators, we don't use indicators. We're looking for movement. That's what we're looking for. And we're looking for those stocks that provide a lot of movement during the day. And then, of course, then we overlay that with our patterns and then, of course, Einstein to set up our entries. All right, I'm just quickly looking to see if we have anything on natural gas. May potential buy coming up. We'll watch natural gas, see if it's going to do it. All right, so far pretty quiet. Dow's down, wow, 600 already. It's going to be a big down day today, it looks like. We saw an overwhelming of our stocks that we scanned. A lot of patterns indicating we're going to have a down day. So, like I said, once again, on average, whenever we see that overwhelming amount of stocks showing a down day, typically it's going to, overall market's going to end up being down. It's okay, John. That's going to happen. You know what? Hey, we all make mistakes. Just it's okay. It's going to happen. I make mistakes. You know, we're all human. So, hey, you just bounce back as you always have, and you're doing all right. Just hang in there. What I would do is I would just pull back. You know, get something to drink, relax, come back. Mark's going to be here all day. A lot of opportunity. There's going to be a lot of volatility today too, so we should have a lot of really nice setups. But that's the part of trading. I mean, trading is, I once heard that trading is a frustrating business, and it's something you have to learn to deal with. It will always be a frustrating business because you're never going to hit it 100%. So that just right there tells you you're going to have some frustrations. Question is, are you going to have, 30% frustrations or 70% frustrations, right? So if you're doing everything right, the idea is we want to be hitting somewhere in that 70% range. And once again, in terms of predictability, that's about the max you're going to be able to squeeze out of the market on a long-term basis, only because there's at least 25 to 30% of the market is going to be noise. You can't predict noise. But the good news is that we can at least hit it in the 70 percentile, and that's what my patterns have been doing for the last 30 years. So I know I have the odds in my favor, but it's still going to be up to me as an individual trader to execute right, follow my plan. One of the biggest things I see a lot of traders make, mistakes I see them make, is that they start having 2, 3, 4 really good days in a row. Then they get cocky and they start over trading, and they end up blowing themselves out. So one of the things to always keep in mind, if you had a really, really strong day, you're having a really strong streak, it's time to lighten up a little bit, right? So just lighten up, because it is coming, and you want to make sure that you're not getting aggressive when things are starting to weaken. So that's just going to take time and experience and read the markets. And the more you know about whatever you're trading, whether it be you're trading gold and silver, or you're trading an indice like the E-mini S&P or the mini Russell, get to understand its personality. They all have different personalities, and they all get schizo from time to time. So the more you watch it, the more screen time. This is a business just like anything else. You want to be a professional at it, you got to put in the time. You're not going to be a professional quarterback tomorrow just because you're put on with a professional team, right? I'll throw you in the NFL, but I'll give you football and I'll give you a helmet, but that's not going to make you a professional quarterback. The same thing with trading, all right? Anybody that tells you differently, they're lying to you. There is no get rich quick in trading, but you can do very well and make a good living out of it if you put in the time and you can learn to be disciplined. But a big part of discipline too is having the right tools. The problem that I see with a lot of traders is they're using tools that just don't work. So of course you're going to be frustrated because you're always going to be going for that next tool, all right? The secret is in patterns, what I call behavioral patterns. It's not going to be in indicators, all right? We're looking for particular behaviors to repeat themselves over and over again. And if you haven't watched my webinar regarding the core strategy and kind of the way I look at the market, that's a real good video to go back and watch, because I get into a little bit more of that. Talk about indicators, talk about our research with indicators, talk about behavioral patterns, and I show how behavioral patterns do work and how they're able to predict. So it's a really good video to watch. You should be able to go to my YouTube channel to find that. Binary Pro Strategies. And also, if you like these videos, you like this morning show, give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe. Let me know you like it. It helps out the channel. It is free, so I'm doing this free for the first hour for everybody. Then we continue on with our members. But I want to know you have finding value. If you find value, then subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be updated on any new videos I'm getting to be releasing. Man, I don't see anything in here right now. Just pretty quiet. Dow's bounced a little bit, down 517. Get some indication, maybe trying to set up a buy on the mini NASDAQ. We'll be watching for that on NQ. Thanks, Ray. We all do, Glenn. We all do, right? All right, still waiting for a setup. Trying to see if we can get any buying opportunities on this NVAX. That's what I'm looking for. Already took our short on LIN. LIN looks like she could bounce. LIN is showing that possibly come up to this 266. Well, it already hit it. 266.64. So now we'll see if we can get a short setup on this LIN. Watching RTY. RTY's attempting to set up a buy signal here. RTY. Yeah, John, I mean, it's just like, yeah, everything is going down today. Everything is going down today. I mean, you look at my stock. You look at our scanner, I mean, these are all my buying opportunities today. But I had a ton of shorts today. A lot of red there. Okay, LIN is triggering another short. LIN, our stock is triggering another short. Want that to come down to, our target is going to be 26639. I'll go ahead and draw that in at 266, let's see here, 26639. It's going to be the profit target on LIN stock. If I need to reverse, put on a target, I'm going to reverse and go long at 26714. Still see nothing on the indices here. "23 years, really? Okay, I didn't know that. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, we're definitely in new times here, right? Okay, natural gas is getting close to a buy. Let's keep an eye on that natural gas. Come up to the hour, also getting a buy on the gold. Interesting, getting a buy on the gold. Try to give you these here before we hit the top of the hour. Gold's going to have a tighter stop. Target on gold is going to bring us up to 1708. It's going to be the profit target on gold. And we'll reverse on gold at 1696. Reverse and go short on gold if we hit that. Not seeing anything on natural gas, but I think we're going to be getting a buy here shortly on natural gas. LIN is still short, target 26639. We are now at the top of the hour, so that's going to be it for our first hour. So once again, if you have any questions, just go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com. Keep in mind, we are going to be having a name change here shortly, so we'll let you all know when that is finally up and running, and we're going to be looking at a lot more different markets, so it should be really exciting. One of those is going to be stocks. That's why you see a couple stocks in here, just kind of introducing you to that. And looks like we're getting ready to hit our target again on LIN. All right, everybody, have a great trading day. If you have any questions, go to my website, answer everybody's questions personally. Have a good trading day, and we will see y'all first thing in the morning. Take care.